So apparently I have another issue with the banana bus motor. I think I had that issue like a year and a half ago. And for some reason, it just started to make some noise. Look, when I use the pedal assist or the throttle, you hear that? If the wheel, if the wheel spin is okay, but if I use the motor, it makes a lot of noise. So there's something wrong with the motor. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna have to bring it to the mechanic tomorrow. Sorry, goddamn mask. So I'm gonna have to bring this to the mechanic tomorrow. And I had that issue before. I was a long time ago, but I think it just wears off. I think it's just that when you use like I don't know, for an amount of years, amount of time. I mean, it kind of it does that. Maybe I don't know, but it still works. I mean, I can still use the e-bike. It makes a lot of noise, and I'm afraid that I think there's something inside that is broken. I'm pretty sure, otherwise it wouldn't make that much noise. And like I said, I had that issue before, so yeah, I think it's I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bring in the mechanic. Damn it.